Hey, first grade friends, welcome back. And we are writing our opinion paragraphs about whether we think that these food or lunch sharing tables are a good idea or not. Yesterday, I said that I think these sharing tables are a great idea, and they're one way to help kids who are going hungry. So I shared that opinion with my opening sentence. But now I need to tell a reason and an example. And I came back to my text and I found that share tables let students give away the food they do not want to eat, so nothing's getting wasted, and they can also pick up other food they do want to eat, so kids aren't going hungry. So I took those ideas, and then I'm going to just drop them into my opinion Oreo model. So my reason for this being a good idea is that food isn't going to be wasted. And for example, kids aren't throwing away their food. They can actually grab the foods that they want. So now I'm going to go right to my prompt, and I can start writing my reason and my example. So the easiest way to share your reason is to say one reason, or a reason is, and then I'll give them an example. For example, if you don't want to say for example, you could also say something like, this is good because, and tell us why something that's happening is a good thing. So you'll notice that we have our picture that shows our opinion. We then have our opening sentence. In my opinion, food sharing tables are a good idea. Now I have to give them the reason. One reason is food doesn't get wasted. Here I go. One, just copying right from my sentence starter. Reason is food doesn't, that's a contraction, does not becomes doesn't get wasted. And I'm going to say this is good because. This is good, flipping over to my next page, because kids won't go hungry. That's a good thing. They're not throwing away wasted food. They can actually pick up the foods they want to eat. Ooh, how do I spell all of this? This is good. Well, you guys know a lot of phonics. You could figure these out. The, you know, is that digraph TH. This is good. G-O-O-D spells good. Now, here's the word because. Because is a word you guys just have to know how to spell. So you need to start practicing spelling it correctly. It's B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Here's how I remember it. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Okay? This is good because kids won't go hungry. Kids won't. That's another contraction. Will and not stuck together. Won't go hungry. Hungry. I know I don't end words with E-E or I, so I bet you it's a Y, making that vowel sound. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back and reread from the very beginning of my paragraph. In my opinion, food sharing tables are a good idea. One reason is food doesn't get wasted. This is good because kids won't go hungry. Tomorrow, friends, I'm going to be ready to close this up with my closing sentence to wrap up my opinion paragraph. So go ahead and find your reason in your example and write those in.